You know what? This shouldn't be here. We're not doing this anymore. That actually goes right here. I guess I need a moss if I'm going to do a moss updates. I don't know if I even have a moss that I can easily get to. Hello and welcome back to the Workbench. This is a series of videos where we talk about ceiling fan trivia, history, and technical information. So today we're going to film another update. We're going to talk a little bit more about moss manufacturing and David Moss. There are a few notes that I overlooked the last time I did the video, and there are a few things I've learned when researching other fans that I thought would be relevant to this content. So let's get into it. One of the things, I know I've mentioned it in a bunch of videos, but I think that I forgot to mention in the original Moss video was that when Moss started importing fans and other imported companies started importing fans, which really the early ones were mostly Moss and my train of thought being lost. Okay, we're going to start again. Hello and welcome back to the Workbench. This is the series of videos where we discuss ceiling fan history, trivia, and technical information. Today we have another update. We're going to talk about words. Hello and welcome back to the Workbench. This is the series of videos where we discuss ceiling fan trivia and technical information and history. And that's not the order I like to say those in.